Image editing no longer has to be complicated. To get started, open ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps and Connectors, and connect Adobe Photoshop. Begin a message with your edit request. Upload an image with the first prompt, and editing begins instantly. After uploading an image, multiple adjustment options appear. In full-screen view, intuitive sliders make it easy to control exposure, reduce harsh highlights, protect details in the sky, and fine-tune shadows and contrast. Creative effects are just as simple. A prompt like Add creative effects unlocks styles such as duotone, vintage, and cinematic effects, motion blur, glitch, and more. Shadow tones can be customized. Contrast can be refined. Colors can be intensified, all within the same conversation. More precise edits are also possible. Prompts like apply a duotone to everything except the sunglasses. Allow specific areas to stay untouched, even in complex, busy scenes. Grain, duotone, and stylized looks can be layered by continuing to prompt. With Photoshop for ChatGPT, professional image editing becomes fast, intuitive, and accessible. Just describe what you want to change, and the edits happen in real time. When more control is needed, the image can be opened directly in Photoshop on the web to continue refining every detail and going further with your edits. Simple prompts, powerful results. Photoshop for ChatGPT makes advanced image editing feel effortless, turning ideas into polished visuals in just a few seconds. Subscribe and follow for more Photoshop tips and tutorials. Happy editing!